To collaborate with other partners and stakeholders, Census made the datasets used in the policy maps into highlighted data web services that are found in the Highlighted Datasets section. These ready-to-go services are available for mapping, bringing Census datasets in geography together for you in an interactive format. By clicking on the title or tile, explore each dataset in a ready-to-view web map in a new tab. As you see here for the County Business Patterns 2019 data, currently symbolized by average annual payroll per employee. You will see U.S. state and county level data, for which you can view the legend, navigate the map to view data at different geographies, investigate the data currently displayed through the pop-up, or even explore your own visualizations of other data found in that dataset. You can also view data details by clicking Read More, which will open an information page in a new tab, displaying processing notes, a description, allowing you to view the data table, and overview featuring the ArcGIS server service URL and options to open in desktop or map viewer. Highlighted datasets allow users easy access to view these datasets alongside other data or incorporate it into their own platforms.